bedroom. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 60 in 1 month. The man go record them. Where the woman they throw away pampers put, as he put them for ground, he open now everything. The man goes snap and go record them. If the children they go school in the morning, if he say they are late, where their mother go they shut, the man go suffer. They record all those scenarios. The man record a lot. Whew. This one now, it come out because of say those people way pass that they will be record that paparazzi family. And now the week we just did this so. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, my lovely people. Super Chat will not let the man cassava to stand. I'm telling you, what kind of marriage is that again? Okay, now so the man records so many things. If the woman carry the children out, he go put telephone for you, go they talk, the children, the man go record all scenario. Okay, if there is supermarket, now recorded things, paparazzi family, because that one come and that they make this woman constitute say, come see one thing where instead they pass through for Yaso. Okay. The man go record, if visitor come, the man go record, he record everything. What he come the record that for? Okay? This one, this man no record make he be put his wife for problem. No. But all the same, if government really see all this type of recording, he go put both him and the wife for big problem, especially the wife. Okay? And the reason why the man say if they record the wife, okay? Because the man see what he come and see how people take come, how people take talk, how people take do this. Now he make him with his wives, okay? For our own to kill ourselves, make we go judge to Monica before our own will come be national disgrace also. Now the wife, just like usual, now if come report to me, say, now so their house be he husband. And so they record everything when he do. He go record everything, he no know what they record them for. But every little thing go they tell us I go collect the children from you. When I always via collect EVA, and so I'll collect the children from you. So the woman say ever since then in the fear. So the man can sign for what did they call him for Germany now? Sugar ref. I don't talk away sugar ref. The one of say 50%, 50 say if maybe anything happen to the woman, the man go feel take care of children. Sugar ref. Okay? Right for the father and right for the woman. But the woman say because they record everything, he no one give a sugar ref. Because all those things where he don't record, he tell and say he don't delete them, but he not believe. Because if they quarrel, if they carry and still they give some people, so get right. Okay, so get right. Okay? So get right. So he no one give them. So get right. That is 50-50 in Germany. Because if they record everything. Okay. Now say, I don't want to make this on our own. Can still be like have a sister. Have you talked to your husband? Now say me if I talk to your husband, me tell and say don't go report to Monica. So God so kind, the husband can't by himself. Call me, say his wife tell him, may he still tell me the own side of the story. Hello. Okay, Zogeref. On the S what is Zo. They know what yes, if a Germany S.
Zo. S says but Zogeref.
Okay, Zogeref. Okay, S Y is Zo Z. Okay. 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 Zogeref. Okay. Let's say mama. So get it. So now the man can't call me. Oh, now the man say, my sister, the reason why I dey record my wife, he say his wife na abusive mother to the children. He know they record the wife because of money. He know want children right because of money. But the reason why he start to the record the wife, now because the wife they abuse their children and they pain her. So if he no record the wife for don't kill their children. Now what he make and they record the wife be that? Since when he can't start to the record the wife, he can't change. Oh what bemo sister Monica, you dege with some kind things. If we know they bring and come out for social media, it go hard for people to understand. I see some of our people, they make video about this door and M. And who worry a big because they don't really know everything. I mean, I just stop for road because if I want to talk everything finishing, na bomb clap. Some kind time, the reason why some people do some kind thing, you need to ask them before you judge, man. If na woman still they do, ask. That's why that woman, I go they ask her, what be the offense of your husband now? And why you no one give your husband paper? You see, because we need to know that one also. But if the person talk and I cook and both story. But this man, when he touched that in my heart, he moved like this. But if you see the way the wife they tell me, if now let the wife for a year, we all today we for the use one eye take the look our husband. How this man take hate time? How this man go take join outside the killer? How this one want make it bio? How this man say he want do one like he vie? How this man say oh yeah, how this man say how this man say? When the man come call, the man say, yes, I dey video my wife. I know the video and to take give to enemy made the killer. I dey video my wife because of my children, Monica. My children. I don't want my wife tired. Okay, if I be bad person, I want really kill my wife one time. I want make they collect these children, make we lose. I get right to call police. But I dey want, you know the year. He said it not be because of record the way he call the record. He said for don't kill the children. Now because social media I can't show children picture, especially on my YouTube. If you see children, when this man really start to the record, if he beat children finish, he go say me no go school, they sick. He say he now they never break 5 o'clock, he don't go work. Hoping say he leave children for wife. He say wife go just wake up in the morning, go start to the look live video. Children go get to it, go they use man, they direct it. Carry that one, plug that one, put it here. If you not constantly doing the time where you go come get out of the person where you don't the same message since just because you do I don't work vabi, don't work big. Oh where so I see the patient, then he start on the record, and so that the day when you not pay patience again, he go show everything to social worker. Make his wife go out of the house. May go they do take care of himself by himself. May not kill his children. He said Pikin go wear pampers. None of his children will not get pele for nyash when they small. Because he Pikin go wear pampers for morning tea when he go return from work. And that's so your mama no go clean her. Papa when Pikin take shit, he go just fold and pull am for bed. There go just fold and click, go just throw from there. That one go hang under there, go hang under here, go hang under here. Their children, crow. He said that's when they record the wife. If they beat the children, not beat them again, not the year. So he need to the record them. Now he can't stop to the beat children. When he can't say in the record them, fear can't the cash and not can't the beat the children again. Rien belly a more. And you know go say no they use my talk. Now boa, igba. He say every day he go the quarrel because of his wife. He hates me. He go say Monica we me over. Oh what mu wayare? My brother. I don't die. Husband when wife when not they do anything for her. You know if he blame you. Thank God say my children are my example. This one not be, I not belong to, I cannot show my children gang. If you want me to show three of them, say, Mona can show on her head. He calling here to show. He mani the nika you wenya. He can show you anytime, any day. Me where una husband they hate, say, I they do video, every 2 seconds, Mona come they wash. Una husband forget, say, me too, I get husband, and I get children. I even get teenager when get more work done now. If I never cook for my children, I know they can't live video. Your wife, where it can be the time when me they finish Instagram, since they never say, I go cook beans. I fry yam. I can't wash kitchen. I don't call my children. Make they do one for me. I don't call them. Only me one. I do everything where I need to do. I call them, they eat finish. I carry their plate by myself. I wash it. Put cloth for washing machine. Start to go do my makeup. But the time when me finish that Instagram, many of una zozo they go. Okpa for while wait to one in one. Why because I hate any husband when they insult me, don't insult me. Back to send that to you. Because not be me go make your wife responsible. If God they look at hours different where I tell they make my video. I know they make video every 2 minutes. And if I make every 2 minutes, you will know say I'm equal to the task. I don't repair my house. Your wife go finish my own for 4 o'clock. He go enter another person home. He go finish that one 5 o'clock. He go enter another person home. He go enter another person. If he come here, Monica don't come 9 o'clock. Come do. Mama si ejinyak be ni ene gokpa. Mo si ejinyak be ya. Ni me ya finish Instagram si we are mi na ni me ewu. Ikwe awe to ina we gege mo yiba. Ina do so an makeup. Ige man de ni de torok pare de nena. I carry scarf I tie my head. Eh? Your wife pion. You go come they put on for my body. So he say wife. So live video. Live video he go come they ver. Money cannot they do another thing. No, my brother. I they do a lot. I they even work. I they do a lot. I they go appointments. Don't forget my husband not there. I they follow children go appointments. I they do things. Sometimes I they go football, go stand this side. Follow my son, go. If he demand it, you must follow me. I will go. So the man say, as he can see the way he wipe pepper body they beat children, now he can start to the recorder. So as he know the quick clean, he go the recorder. As he go wake up in the morning, not go get up for his side, go they watch live, he go record, he go show the time joiner. The time where he go get up, he says so he do me. When we say the other woman also so he do me, the man say he tell his wife, oh now hear me tune one. Now so he do me wife. If he just get up, he want cook for children, he do me. If he not do that one, he go just ban a pizza, pa. For rubber bag way back for it Lido, put on for this thing. Or where they got no He say his wife never ever read the instruction of pizza to know how many minutes. Either it too dry, where the children come they eat the tomato and throw away the dry one, or they will say it too wet. Your wife can never concentrate to give these children what they really want. He said fried rice the time where the day country where the day before they come Germany. He wife go cook fried rice. That time they know they see live video. He said yes. His wife, if he see fried rice for party, now they come they gather and bring and come. You wegi guale, you know sabi cook fried rice again. Why you not come they cook and go say no time? He say wife go talk say today I want cook vegetables. I want cook vegetable. He said those things he go bring and come and go put them for his fridge again in the evening. Tomorrow morning go bring and come and in the evening go put them in his fridge. He go take by himself go throw away. I may not come give the bacteria. He go buy spinach. He go come spoil for his fridge. He go buy salad. He go spoil. Because he no go get time to cook or do the things where he buy the things for. He go buy tomato, all tomatoes are going to spoil, he go throw away. But when he just come to any half food, if he comes to say, he can't quarrel, say today, no live video. Hey, go say, now, Monica, when 9 o'clock, say, why go come cook food where salt go too much or water not dry. Or na hyokyo they'll come hyokyo the one way bon come on just because say Monica they come 9 o'clock and then come tell and say today no live video if you not cook food for us. So say why go come start up food everywhere way for cooking no go clean no. Now to just carry live video. He go say your mate put earpiece for your ear. May you the ear, may you the what we comment in here a big deal no raw. A comment in here or what walking here a fake account in over here mere you. Ian block a one what we love it now. Now make her the record the wife because of the children. So who really wrong for you? The man they record the wife because he say one day when he go vex, he no fit take the nonsense again. The man say, oh nee tona. But we ma take care. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Leave that one. The man saying they do one thing, wife no. Because of live video and zara. So he say his wife, if they use children money, they do osusu. If they use children money, they do osusu. That's the main reason he wants the children from the woman. He want them in care. He don't talk tire. If he beat her now, the whole world, social media go carry on. A British judgment. Or when we be why here way. Because if you beat woman to take correct and una say they know they beat woman. So now the way government they do and then you go take do it wife. That's why he record them. He said the one way they talk, they go, as if your husband do one. Now so my husband saying, go, he want do me. Now so he said the reason why he talk and during the time of viewing, he can't tell your wife, say, this type of thing, so you also, now I go do you one day. Person like you, now so they're supposed to do now. If woman too careless, now so you go do one. May you take save your children. He said, now he make and tell them. Not be say na something where he just really plan. But that day, the verse, now he make and tell and say, you see, people where you they look, because of social media, carelessness, they don't lose their children. You too, where they look there, very soon it go happen to you because I'm going to do it to you too. Because what you still they do for this, as if they record and show to government, you're not supposed to hold children. Okay, he said the reason why his wife here say husband where they fight for money, wey come just carry now gbeg. He wan go give to Asagbomi presenter. Now, as in they watch the program, he come talk say we even give am to Monica go better pass the riffraff wey you wan go give, because those one they go definitely join you. Say, hey, man wey wan fight for money, man wey dey fight for money. The man say he no dey fight for money, oh. He no dey fight for money, but truth of the matter, his wife no dey use the money for his children. His children clothes, he no like am. Then the wife go dey tell am, you not be their father, you not go buy for them. Okay, what of the money where they pay these children? My people, some men, they really make sense. Now just abroad, now they keep them quiet. Me una tell me who to blame for this matter. When I listen and I hear finish, I blame the woman. So if this man not become the record, you why your bobo belly war? But me live video, where we live video now. Or man rock live video no spend the 24 hours, except to one go. Why spend the 24 hours? Oh boom, when he only man consign him, me spend the 24 hours. I yesterday have a baby man about 2 hours. Ikpa ne. Wa ke mak po wari oge e salt. Wa ke salt ikpori oge sugar. Wa ke sugar pa uri oge lap. Wa ke lap ikpori oge ukpe. Wa ku pek pa uri oge nwe. Wa ke nwe pa uri oge radanya. Huh? O manage ge yagbabo we. O we manage yagbabo we. Video when person do 3 weeks ago. If not today you dey watch and he bad. Must you look all the old madness? Why are you not feel get selective? May you for know how to use your time well. People when you they see say, I know they watch another one. Now, Monica, do you think they are stupid? It's because they are busy doing something meaningful. They need to use their time properly. Select anyone where they know say if they keep the they keep them entertained. They watch that one, they leave the rest. Anytime where the rest so come like this, they wash and they live there. On a wa for banya, uwa mo ye di. Owa wo kin yo wa ya, owa aga mo ha. Ye we na hin. We one way your bonyo see evenia tella well. The man say Monica no verse. Before I say you are very irresponsible like my wife. I say not talking. When you see better correct president, why all those one way correct? Now you say they compare me. No, they compare me with this your wife where they wash anything washable. In short, me and they always talk on that. Me will still be presenter. I know they wash anything washable. You get one time where me I not make sure the person name. He come they quarrel with me. Say the person they call insult him. I not even talk put. I say when? He say yeah every day. I said really? Plus the other one. I said really? Oh no vet. That other one, if he from today go swear. Do video reach 100 years. May they give me the person where they talk so. I know they wait. If you like it day live, now like that I know they go because when I want go look there, let it go viral, let it go Vera or I say all the people where you talk now say they come they talk to you. They not be people where you even supposed to they wash.